Want a fun personalized avatar using your favorite photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Galaxy Avatar lets you create an AR emoji directly from any image in your gallery. To do so, open Galaxy Avatar app, tap Create New Avatar, and then select Create Avatar from Image. Just select a photo from your gallery. Adjust the selected area. Then tap Done button. Choose your gender. Then tap Next. Here you can customize your avatar. In the look section, you can customize your hair, face, eyes, nose, lips, and other features. Move to the style section. Here you can customize clothes, accessories, and decoration like sock or shoes to create a unique look. Tap Save at the top right. Once you save your avatar, you can use it in your contact info, messages, avatar sticker, or social media posts to make your chats and posts more fun and personal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.